Out in the real world, the moment a multi-tool earns its keep isn't when it's sitting in a box. It's when something goes wrong and you've only got what's in your pocket to fix it. Maybe you're deep in the jungle, humidity hanging in the air, a strap breaks on your pack, or you're camping by a river and need kindling in the rain. In those moments, every second counts. You need a blade that cuts clean through wet rope, pliers that bite and hold without flexing, scissors that won't bend, and a build that feels like it was made for hands-on use, not just display. That's why today's list is about 10 multi-tools that have proven themselves in real-life scenarios. Different sizes, different strengths, but all strong enough to earn a place in your kit. All the links are in the description. Let's get right into it. First up, the Byberry BLT Pro. This one's all about maximum features for minimum cost. At a budget-friendly price, you get a massive 31-tool lineup inside a 3CR13 stainless steel frame. Closed, it measures about 4 inches, 10.2 centimeters, and weighs in at 12 ounces, 340 grams. Heavier than many, but that heft works in its favor for sturdier jobs. It feels solid in the hand, not flimsy. You get a locking blade for safe cutting, replaceable wire cutters, a saw, scissors, multiple screwdrivers, a cord cutter, and even a window breaker. The finish isn't as refined as premium brands, and the saw rewards patience more than speed. But for a glove box, emergency kit, or camping bag, it's a no-brainer. It comes with a nylon belt pouch for carry, and it's made in China. Think about being on the road and a cargo strap tangles. You pull this out, snip it clean, and you're back on your way. For the price, it's a reliable, always-there option. The Victorinox Swiss Champ is a living legend among multi-tools. Swiss-made from high chromium stainless steel, it's virtually immune to rust and keeps its blades sharp for ages. Closed length is 3.6 inches, 9.1 centimeters, weight about 6.5 ounces, 184 grams, and it slips easily into a pocket or can ride on a keyring with an added split ring. With 33 functions, it's like carrying an entire mini toolbox, standard blades and screwdrivers plus unique extras like a magnifying glass, fish scaler, and chisel. Things you won't find on most plier-based models. The Swiss Champ isn't for heavy plier work, but that's not its mission. This is about versatility. Opening wine at a campsite, fixing sunglasses, carving marshmallow sticks, cutting fishing line. Every tool clicks into place with that unmistakable Swiss precision. Price range, mid to high, but built for a lifetime of use. Next is the ESOG Power Pint, a small but mighty option. Made from stainless steel, it measures 4.2 inches, 10.7 centimeters, closed, and weighs just over 4 ounces, 113 grams, making it perfect for pocket carry or a small pouch. Its standout feature is the compound leverage pliers, geared so you get more gripping force with less effort. For its size, the grip strength is impressive. You'll also find blades, screwdrivers, openers, and more tucked into its compact frame. The pliers are the clear star, but the rest of the tools are genuinely handy for daily tasks. Designed by SOG in the USA and manufactured overseas, it sits in the mid-low price range. Whether you're tightening a stubborn bolt on the go or pulling a bent nail during a DIY project, this tool punches well above its size. Then there's the Leatherman Wave Plus, the gold standard in full-size multi-tools. Made in the USA from stainless steel, it's 4 inches, 10.2 centimeters, closed, 8.5 ounces, 241 grams, and comes with either a pocket clip or belt sheath. You get 18 carefully selected tools, 2 one-handed opening blades, replaceable wire cutters, a saw, file, scissors, and Leatherman's excellent bit driver system. Every tool locks in place for safety, and the ergonomics make it comfortable for extended use. Backed by a 25-year warranty, this is a premium-priced tool that's worth every cent. I've used one to cut rope, file down sharp metal edges, and tighten a kayak mount all in the same afternoon. If you want one tool you can maintain for decades and trust in almost any situation, this is it. Next is the Nextool Mini Flagship Pro. If you want to stay prepared but keep things ultra-portable, this is a smart choice. Stainless steel construction, 2.8 inches, 7.1 centimeters closed, and just under 3 ounces, 85 grams, it's easy to carry on a keyring or in a pocket. It packs 10 tools, needle nose pliers, scissors, a small knife, and screwdrivers into a sleek, keychain-friendly design. It's not built for large-scale repairs, but for everyday quick fixes, tightening a glasses arm, trimming a frayed cord, opening a stubborn package. It's perfect. The build feels solid for its size, it's made in China and sits in the budget price range. This is the kind of tool you'll carry without thinking about it, until it saves you time when you least expect it. Moving on, we've got the Victorinox Rambler, and this one is all about pure, compact utility. Swiss-made from high chromium stainless steel, a material famous for resisting rust and holding a fine edge, it's just 58 millimeters, 2.3 inches, closed, and it weighs only 1.1 ounces, 31 grams. All the tools use a non-locking slip joint design. You get a small blade, scissors, a nail file, bottle opener, and both flat and Phillips screwdrivers. It comes in the classic Victorinox box with a small leaflet. Price range, low to mid. This is the definition of always there when you need it. It disappears on a keychain until you're tightening a battery cover, clipping a stray thread before a meeting, or popping open a drink at the park. Give it a quick rinse and dry after use, and it'll serve you faithfully for decades. Now, if you travel often, let's talk about the Nextool Mini Sailor Lite. This is the multi-tool you can actually take through airport security thanks to its blade-free, TSA-compliant design. Made from stainless steel, it measures 2.7 inches, 6.9 centimeters. Closed and weighs just 68 grams, 2.4 ounces. Inside, you'll find pliers, screwdrivers, scissors, and even a SIM card ejector for swapping phone cards abroad. All tools are non-locking. It's made in China, sits in the budget price range, and comes in a small presentation box. Designed for keyring or pocket carry, it's perfect for hotel room fixes, camera adjustments, or little travel day tasks without worrying about losing it at a checkpoint. Keep the pivots lightly oiled, and it'll be smooth whenever you need it. For the outdoorsy types, let's head into something a bit more rugged, the Gearyitis 16-in-1 Axe Multi-Tool. With a stainless steel head and tools paired to a composite handle, it's about 7 inches, 17.8 centimeters, long and weighs just over 1 pound, 454 grams. You get a compact hatchet, hammer, pliers, saw, screwdrivers, and more. All tools are non-locking, and it comes with a nylon sheath for safe transport in your backpack or vehicle. Price range, low to mid. It's not going to replace a full-size axe, but for splitting kindling, hammering tent stakes, or clearing small branches at camp, it's a perfect all-in-one. Just remember to store it dry and give the axe head a light oil coat if it's been exposed to moisture. And if you like that hatchet and tools combo but want a slightly different setup, next is the RoverTac 18-in-1 Knife Multi-Tool. Also made from stainless steel, this one's about 7 inches, 17.8 centimeters long, weighs just over 1 pound, 454 grams, and comes with a belt pouch for carry. It's equipped with a hatchet, pliers, saw, knife, corkscrew, and multiple screwdrivers. All tools are non-locking. Price range, budget to mid. The extra weight gives the axe and hammer more striking power, and it's great for camping, fishing, or keeping in your vehicle as an emergency backup. Picture opening a bottle of wine by the campfire, fixing a folding chair, and cutting rope for a clothesline, all with the same tool. Finally, we wrap up with the Roxon S801S Storm, an entry-level plier-based multi-tool that packs in some surprisingly premium touches. Made from corrosion-resistant 5CR15MOV and SUS420 stainless steel. It's 4.3 inches, 10.9 centimeters, closed and weighs 9 ounces, 255 grams. You get 16 tools including a locking saw, large high-quality scissors, and a bit driver with included bits. The bit driver works with standard 1/4 inch bits via an adapter. It comes with a nylon sheath, is made in China, and sits in the budget range. Backed by a 25-year warranty covering manufacturing defects, it's perfect as a first multi-tool or a dependable spare. Whether you're trimming branches, tightening hinges, or sawing a pole for a DIY project, the Storm handles it with ease. So here's the bottom line. If you want a single, do-it-all tool for the long haul, go for the Leatherman Wave Plus. If you want maximum variety in a compact package, the Victorinox Swiss Champ is unmatched. Frequent travelers should grab the Nextool Mini Sailor Lite. For budget-friendly reliability, the Byberry and Roxon are excellent picks. If your adventures take you outdoors, the Gearyitis or RoverTac will give you the versatility of an axe plus other tools. And for minimal everyday carry, the Victorinox Rambler or Nextool Mini Flagship Pro keep you prepared without the bulk. And whichever you choose, you're getting one of the best in its class, ready to step in when it counts. Check the links in the description, pick the one that fits your world, and keep it close. Because when the moment comes, you'll be glad you did.